Dual investment. What is dual investment? CoinEx dual investment is a non-principal protected financial product that involves two different cryptocurrencies. When subscribing to dual investment products, you can choose a target price and a duration. Upon maturity, the system will settle the principal and interest in one of the two currencies, based on the market price. Best timing for dual investment. Want to buy low and sell high, but don't have time to watch the market all day? With dual investment, you can buy or sell crypto at your desired price in the future. Whether the trade is triggered or not, you can still earn interest income. Subscribe to dual investment in 3 simple steps. Let's take BTC USDT as an example. Step 1. Select coin. Go to Earn. Dual investment. Select the product to subscribe. Step 2. Choose direction. After confirming the currency pair, decide whether to buy low or sell high. 1. Buy low. Select Buy Low and subscribe using USDT. Upon maturity, if BTC reaches the target price, the principal and interest are settled in BTC. Otherwise, they are settled in USDT. 2. Sell high. Select Sell High and subscribe using BTC. Upon maturity, if BTC reaches the target price, your principal and interest are settled in USDT. Otherwise, they are settled in BTC. Step 3. Confirm and subscribe. After you've decided whether to buy or sell, please review the information, such as target price, APY, settlement time, investment period, etc. Select a product, click Subscribe, then enter the amount, agree to the terms, and click Subscribe again to submit your subscription. After subscribing, you can check your order under Assets. Earn. Dual investment. Dual investment products cannot be cancelled or redeemed early before maturity. Upon maturity, the system will settle and distribute the principal and interest to your spot account. Before subscribing to dual investment products, please read the following disclaimer and assess the risk involved. If you encounter any issues when using dual investment, please visit our help center for more details or submit a ticket to contact CoinEx support. CoinEx, your crypto trading expert.